high water. She's hanging out at the edge as well.
Is it that one?
And she's grey, yeah, that's the one. Oh no, you still.
No, I've got it.
You got Cluster Busters. There's another one.
Poke them back up.
Cluster Busters. There's another one.
Poking it back up. That fucking
No, she's still dangling.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I felt it.
Yeah. No, you've not got her. She's still there. Oh no, you've not got her.
Okay.
You're pulling her out. What did we have? Potato and you've got spit on the end of your tongue now.
Oh, no.
You're fucking like Afghani. You're like Steptoe and son. Harold!
I want to get a bug now.
yeah. I don't want to go to Spain.
I want to go to Spain, Dad, where the women are brown. What's the matter with bug now? Quite nice. Stay there.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers.
That's the water. There you go. Are you feeling alright, mate?
No.
Okay. Cheers.
That was the long answer.
That's all you want to hear, isn't it? No messing around, Tom. Don't swear. There's two little kids there.
Not.
Right.
Where's the cars in?
You're not going to believe this.
Upstairs?
3 flights of them.
Oh, no.
Right to the top, son. Positive. I like a windy. Oh, that's great.
Cockatoos. Oh, and a parrot as well.
You like this one, huh? Pick an area like Jack Ruby, fucking JFK, and stay there. You'll get your catch eventually. Stay firm. Don't start moving around, people will forget you. Look, that's him from over in the corner. It's not like, that's him from over in the corner, in the middle, over there. You just get forgotten.
I know!
You know what I mean?
I know!
Leave a mark. Oh yeah, I know him. He sits in the corner. I don't know yet. Sits in the corner.
I really need to know, 'cause I'm living in a land of love, making reason, and it's oh shitey bastard of me, and it's oh dearie how sad, what a pity now.
This morning, Sarah said, while I was talking to Karen this morning, well, I got out of bed, Sarah was saying that you were trying to get through.
Yesterday.
Right. That wasn't how it came out. I
Yeah.
thought you, that
Yesterday.
Day, seemed like you were trying to get through.
No. I was trying to get to fucking Slade.
No, we're going the wrong direction if we're going to Brussels.
We obviously changed before Brussels talk.
We're going! I don't know what you cut. I don't know. There's nothing not to like about the place. It's great.
I've been hiccuping for 48 hours.
It's not your fault. It's not the fucking person's fault, is it?
I think walking them streets and making hiccup for 2 days. We ought to do with copious amounts of fucking ganja you've been smoking for the last 3 days.
No!
No, not real with that. He just thinks it's been. It's like Blackadder, isn't it? I've got a plan so fucking cunning that I don't even know what I'm doing myself. You know what I mean? It's fucking Baldrick, innit? You know what I mean? I have a cunning plan. It's like, well, why let the rest of the world in on it? Because we don't know what your plan is. You've got 26 players, 23 players, and you're going to use every single one. Or with a squad. Hey. Yeah, well, we'll see tonight. Oh, you got some on there. I haven't, he had it. Have a cannon. You got it? Finish 10 and let's go.
Against St. Iceland doing it.
Oh, look, we've been to watch some of the games. We've been there.
I mean, if you saw how Portugal faced Iceland, even Ronaldo didn't want to take his hand. It was like he just couldn't take it in his head.
They'd be rubbish. They'd be worse than England. Portugal.
He is a horrible person, and I will taunt him a second time. Don't you worry, Nigel. Do not worry, Nigel. I will taunt him, and I will taunt him. Until he smells of elderberries and looks like an hamster. Un glace. But I speak in a French accent. And Mama went to Paris. If I was to say it in an English accent, I would be Paris. But I'm not English. I'm French today. Yeah. Oui. Le pâte. Hello, mademoiselle. Le pâte.
Actually, somebody left me one in there and it wasn't mine.
Well, mine.
Give me beer.
No, you get your own.
Cheers. Pass me that beer.
So I'm going back there. I've got phone numbers, beers and all sorts. Not like these two.
C'est parce qu'ils sont allés dans un endroit, dans un bar, ils ont énormément consommé, ils ont beaucoup payé, ils ont fumé un petit peu de shit, ils ont bu pas mal d'alcool. Et du coup le propriétaire était tellement content.
And it's the opposite is to France. The people are rude in the north and nice in the south, whereas the people are nice in the north in England.
Yes.
They're rude in the south.
Yes, but in France, the people in the north are very kindly.
Fuck off.
Really? Oh!
Nah, you're just rude, cunt. South are really nice. You're nice. You're one. You're one of many. Uno.
Après, je me dis, est-ce qu'il y a un moyen d'enlever la musique, quoi. Moi, j'ai une tolérance limite. Tu peux vraiment ça, j'ai pas regardé.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but
Are
it's
you
that
sure?
way.
Is that way and then what way? Okay, alright.
Yeah, okay, let's see what you got. See? You fucking idiot.
I'm not fucking happy, Tony. Australia when I was like 25. Now I'm not 25, I'm older. That's just like that's all we want. Or you just yeah. Are you watching other games while you're in France? One more. Even colder, is it? This one. Yeah, this one. That's okay. This one, you take this one back. Keep this one. One. This one. I don't want this one. Five. Are you sure? 5. I've got away from France for 1 week, and now all of a sudden we're back in France, and it's just exactly the same as it was before I left. I've got no idea how to run a competition. I've got no idea how to let people on and off trains, and I am not happy. But at least I'm on the train. Well, unbeknownst to the other side of the train station is closed. It's closed. Sacre bleu. Why is it closed then? Because we can close it then. So, what do we do now? You have to walk around to the other side of the station, and then you have to get on another train, but you have to rush the policeman. You rush the gendarme. Gendarme, get out of the way. Get out of the way. You are not doing anything. Anyway, holding your gun, stopping people getting on and off of the train. What sacre bleu!
I got a surprise for you.
Have you now?
Yeah, you won't believe it.
What do you got?
You got Jake.
Yeah, I got a joint. Yeah, I got a joint.
How are you guys? All right?
You remember how we said we were mixing
will?
people yesterday at the soccer? Yeah, that's them.
Oh, it's He told me a lot about you. You do live up to your picture. And you are a very lucky man.